I'm a therapist. I'm an occupational therapist, and I have been working with babies for over 35 years. In between people with disabilities and limb hands and general hospital setup, but babies have been my interest. And we do see more and more premature babies coming to us also. Because one of the reasons for people or babies having difficulties is prematurity. That does not mean all premature babies will be disabled. Let me be very clear. But when they are born before they are supposed to be born, their body and their brain is not ready for the world around them. Sometimes the growth is not sufficient. So it is possible that they have difficulties. So when we have hospitals like this, it is good for us to know if a baby has some difficulty at birth, before birth, by doing a variety of tests and screening. So we screen and try and find out what is the difficulty. It helps to monitor milestones. Andre milestones now correct agi nodikododu bala mukhya. Why? Because that tells us whether a child is delayed or not. Let me give you an idea of what could be possible things that we are looking out for. A very floppy baby, andre itkondre gatti illa. He just hangs on your hands. He's not able to pick himself up against gravity, even a little bit, at birth. That's a sign that we look for. Poor head control. Now, even if the baby is 1.5 months old, if you hold, it may wobble, but he will still try and hold his head, his or her head. If the baby is completely floppy, and when you pull the baby up to sitting, if the head is lagging behind, then we definitely won. Failure to thrive. Baby is not picking up weight, very skinny, not feeding well, and so overall generally very not so well nourished. Okay? That is a baby that we look for. Poor visual responses. Andre naman nodi gurtidiyodu, it may take time, but at least he should look. And then when you look at him from say a foot away, the baby is trying to gaze at your face. When you move a light, maybe he will start following it. But if the baby has a very vacant look and is looking somewhere else, not following, then we kind of make a note of that. Failure to smile. For example, maklu, 1.5 ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ನಗ್ತಾರೆ. They're sharper. So by 2.5 months, children should smile. If the child is not smiling, there could be two possibilities. ಒಂದು ದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದೆ. ಎರಡನೇದು ನಾವು ನೋಡೋದು ಅದೊಂದು ಮುಖ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಆ ಗಮನ ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ babies do not smile. So we do look at simple things like that. And delayed milestones. ಮೈಲಗಳು ಈಗ 3 ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ದವಾಖಾನೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಕೈ ಕಾಲೆಲ್ಲ ಗಟ್ಟಿ ಇದ್ರೆ when you make the child stand, he's all stiff. There's something wrong. So we do a neurological evaluation. Now why do we need to see your babies early? Early intervention ಯಾಕೆ ಮುಖ್ಯ? ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ ನಂತರ 5 ವರ್ಷವರೆಗೂ ಮೆದುಳು ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ. The brain develops. After that, the brain develops, but at a much slower pace. It's not as fast as the first 5 years. That's for everybody. So if you come to the right people early, then the baby gets the benefit. If you come after the age of 5 or 6, the benefit is much, much less. He will develop, he or she will show change. They won't remain the way they are when they are born. But the speed with which we can help that baby goes down. And sometimes families do wrong things. If a child is very stiff and you make him stand or put him in a round walker, you can cause secondary problems. So we tell parents what to do and what not to do. Okay? So how can you as families help? Families and any of you who are in this business of understanding babies, come for an evaluation if you have a doubt. If a doctor says your baby is very thin, uta serta illa, tumba sanna, untara he is not yet in this environment, he doesn't know what's happening, come for an evaluation. Follow up regularly. Bada mukhya. If the child is thriving, ಈಗ ಇವನು ನೋಡಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಸ್ಯಾಂಡೋ ತರ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಊಟ ಸೇರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ಅವನಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ನೋಡಿ ಊಟ ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದು. ಯಾಕೆ? ನೀವು ಟೈಮ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅಳಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಳೋದು ಏನು? ಅವನು ಸಂಪರ್ಕ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಹಸಿದಾಗಿದೆ ನಾವು ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಯು ಡೋಂಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ಹಿಮ್ ಅ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಈವನ್ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಹಂಗರ್. ಆ ಮಗು ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು? ಸೊ ಸ್ಪೀಚ್ ಇನ್ನೂ ಡಿಲೇಡ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಊಟ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸುಮಾರು ಜನ ಮಲಗಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದ್ ಕಾಲ ಮಗುದು ಕಾಲ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇಷ್ಟು ಹಿಟ್ಟು ಕಲ್ಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಯು ಆರ್ ಲಾಫಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಯು ನೋ ವಾಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್? ಚೋಕ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್. ಆಸ್ಪಿರೇಟ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಅವ್ನು ಅಳ್ತಾನೆ, ನೀವು ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಾ, ಇಟ್ ಗೋ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ಲಂಗ್ಸ್. ಎರಡನೇದು, ಪಕ್ಷಿ ತರ ಬಾಯಿ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನೀವು ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಬಾಯಿ ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಟು ಸ್ವಾಲೋ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡಿಲೇಡ್. ಈ ಓರಲ್ ಮೋಟರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಹಳ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ಮಾತಿಗೆ ಆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕು? ತುಟಿ ಮುಚ್ಚಬೇಕಂತ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೀಚ್ these oral motor skills before you talk of speech. So very important to get these tips. Spoon use ಮಾಡಿ. ಚಮಚೆಯಿಂದ ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ನೀವು ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ನಾನು ಐ ಆಮ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಂಜ್ ಥೆರಪಿಸ್ಟ್. ಐ ಟೆಲ್ ಆಲ್ ಮೈ ಮದರ್ಸ್, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ, ಮಗುಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಶಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಟೆರ್ಬ್ಲಿ ಹಂಗ್ರಿ. ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಡೌನ್, ಝೀರೋ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ಯಾವುದು ಅವನ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಒಳಗೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹಬ್ಬ ನನಗೆ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿ. That doesn't work. With babies, you eat first, so you have talme, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ talme irutte. Then you use a plastic spoon. ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸ್ಪೂನ್ ಇಂದ ತೆಗೆದು ತಿನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ ಕಲಿಬೇಕು. ಬಾಯಿ ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ, ತುಟಿ ಮುಚ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ so these are very important skills. Talk to your baby. ಈಗ ಸುಮಾರು ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, 2 ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಆಗೋಯ್ತು, ಕೆಲ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು, ಅಜ್ಜಿ ತಾತ ಸೊ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ತಾತಾಗೂ ಏನು, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಅಳಬಾರ್ದು, ಇಲ್ಲೇಬಾರ್ದು, ಊಟ ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು you just want to put him to sleep. But baby is much more than that. He's got to explore. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಅನುಭವಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಡೆವಲಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾನೆ? ಸೊ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು. ಈಗ when you speak, 1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅಂತ ಶಬ್ದ ಬರೋದು ನೋಡಿ, ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ನೋಡು, ಇದು ನೋಡು, ಅದು ನೋಡು. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್. ಒಂದೊಂದಾಗಿ ತೋರಿಸಿ. Use quality time, and mother's touch is also as important as the father's touch. Okay, so tandegal kelsa bidabitre, mother is the person who stuck with the baby. No, I'm sorry, it doesn't work. I have lots of fathers who are working with us intensively with their babies. So ibru madiradalva magu, so ibru equal amount of time, quality time spent. Iga if your baby is very weak and you feel oil massage madidre ಕೆಮ್ಮಲಕ್ಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, you can do powder massage, talcum powder, and you massage and the baby will feel better. They'll get the feel of what oil doesn't. So you can visually, ಈಗ ಒಂದು ಮಗು ಫಸ್ಟ್ 1 foot away ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ದೂರ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಶೌಟ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು ನಾನು ನಿಂತಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು ಅಪ್ಪ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡು. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಡೂ ದಟ್. ಲೆಟ್ ದ ಬೇಬಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಟು ಸೇ ಓಕೆ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫೇಸ್ ಇನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೀ. ಒಂದಡಿ ದೂರ ಇಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗ್ರಾಜುಲಿ. ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೈಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ದೆನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ಅರ್ಲಿ ಆಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಬಾರ್ನ್, ಬ್ಲ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವೈಟ್ ವರ್ಕ್ಸ್. And I've seen, it's beautiful, Muslim friends of ours, they just put their hijab down and suddenly they lift it so that the face will come. But the child will look, there's a face there, suddenly it's gone. So black and white contrast, simple. Use a pillow, use a petticoat which is black and just put it and take it off. So simple things that make the child curious about the world around. Smell is a very, very primitive sensation. Much more primitive than touch. Smell matte taste. You can't give your baby all taste before he's about a year old. So we'll go to smell. Mother's powder should be different. Father's cologne or powder should be different. Vasane, sparsha, father's face and mother's face, alada irtade. And dhvani, name, voice. So all 3 together, the child's recognition of a family member becomes better. If the father is a long distance father coming once in 15 days, it's very difficult for babies to recognize. So touching the parent's face is also very important. The last point, ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ಮಗು ನಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆಸೆ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು. ವರ್ಷದ ಮೇಲೆ 18 ತಿಂಗಳು, ವರ್ಷದ ಮೇಲೆ 6 ತಿಂಗಳು ಆದರೆ ಕೂಡ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನಡೀತಾರೆ, ನಾರ್ಮಲ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಗು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬೇಗ ಬಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಗಿವ್ ಇಟ್ ಸಮ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಈ ವಾಕರ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ವಾಕರ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ಡ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋ ಪಾಸ್ಚರ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸರಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಹಳ ಕಷ್ಟ. ಬೇಕಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆ 8 ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕೆಲವು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಎದ್ದು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಓಡಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಡೋಂಟ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಅ ಹರಿ and treasure each baby. Your babies have been luckily born to you. You love them very much. Each one will be at a different level. One child will be different, especially for twins. One will be different, the other will be different. Don't keep comparing and say he's smarter, this child is not. No. Becoming smarter comes from anubhava, and it will come gradually. You just enjoy your children, because let me assure you, they become big before you know it. ತುಂಬಾ ಬೇಗ ದೊಡ್ಡವರಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀವೆಲ್ಲ ಮರ್ತು ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ. So enjoy. So that's it for today, and I'm happy to help anybody who has a child with a problem.